Hi, I'm Madison and this is my ohdemo project. Okay, so for the project, I'm gonna be making mocha brownies. I have the ingredients right here. The ingredients you need for this is 1 3/4 cup of flour, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of each salt and baking powder in the bowl. You need 2 sticks of butter, 2.5 cups of brown sugar, 1 cup of water, 5 eggs, and 2 tablespoons of vanilla. And then you spread it onto a pan and you bake it for 30 to 35 minutes. So let's get started. Okay, so first you're gonna put in the flour into the bowl. Okay, so this is 1 cup of flour. Then you need 3/4 cup of flour. Okay, so after we have the flour, we're gonna mix in 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Here's our one. You're gonna take 1 teaspoon of salt and baking powder right here. Okay, so now that we have that mixed in, we're gonna mix these all together as the flour, like dry mixture. Mixture should look something like this. Okay, so now for like the wet ingredients, we're gonna bring 2 sticks of butter. We're gonna take 2.5 cups of brown sugar, and we're gonna take 1 cup of water to the saucepan. We got our pan. First, we're gonna start with the butter. Honestly, I let the butter like sit so it's like kind of already dry, not dry, so it's kind of already, what's the word, moistened. Okay, so I have my brown sugar. And then we need 1 cup of water. We're just gonna bring this to like melt it all together. Kind of spilt it. We're gonna take this and mix it into our dry mixture and just kind of stir it up. So we have this, and we're gonna mix it into the dry one. Now we're gonna take 2 teaspoons of extract. We're gonna need 5 eggs and mix them in like 1 at a time. So now that we've mixed in all of our batter, we're gonna put it into a pan and then we're going to put it in the oven. Okay, so we have this pan. We're gonna spray it down with Pam, and then we're gonna put this on, and then we're gonna put it in the oven. Okay, so this mix is going to cook for 35 minutes. And now we wait. Okay, so we're back, and they just got done baking. They're in the oven. So we're gonna take it out, basically. Basically, that's how you make the cakey brownies. Right there. And let's go on to why this relates to agriculture. This whole project relates to agriculture because of the ingredients. So to start, flour is a grain, which is agriculture. Cocoa powder is the cacao, I don't know how to say that, cacao plant, which is a plant, which is agriculture. Sugar comes from sugar canes, so that ties it in. Butter, okay, so butter comes from milk, which comes from cows, which comes from agriculture. Eggs comes from chickens, which relates to agriculture. Vanilla, okay, vanilla comes from vanilla beans, which also relates to agriculture. So that's just basically how the ingredients. I hope you enjoyed. Yeah, have a nice day.